Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add payment method in WordPress WooCommerce. If you're building an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, one of the most important things you need to do is set up a payment method so customers can actually pay for the products you're selling. Without a payment gateway, your store may look complete, but visitors won't be able to finish the checkout process. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where to find the payment settings inside WooCommerce and how to enable different payment options that your customers can use during checkout. WooCommerce supports several payment methods, such as direct bank transfer, cash on delivery, and online payment services like PayPal or card payments, depending on what you want to offer in your store. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go in the WooCommerce dashboard, how to activate a payment option, and how to configure it so your online store is ready to accept payments from customers. So let's get started. After going to our WordPress dashboard, we will see WooCommerce button on the left of the screen, which we will click. After clicking it, a list appears which we will choose Setting at the bottom. After Setting opens, you'll see several different tabs at the top of the page. These tabs are used to control different parts of your online store, such as general store information, products, shipping, accounts, and of course, payments. Since WooCommerce is designed to manage every aspect of an online shop inside WordPress, the Settings section is where most of the important configuration takes place. From here, you can adjust how your store behaves, how orders are processed, and how customers interact with your checkout system. Now from these tabs, we are going to click Payments, which takes us to a new option where multiple of payment providers are listed, and we will click the one we agree on for this video. We will choose Take Offline Payments. In this new display, we again click the one we are comfortable with. For this video, we will choose Cash on Delivery. After choosing, we will click Manage, but this Manage option comes after enabling it, so remember to enable it first. But for me, I have already enabled it, so I don't need to. Finally, we will give the required information and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your payment method is now set up, and your store is ready to accept payments. You can always return to WooCommerce settings to adjust or add more options as needed. This ensures your customers have a smooth checkout experience. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.